you remember him, he is today I am Bidu.
Exactly.
We are today at Arya Bhavan. Little tilt way. Yeah, we are at Arya Bhavan. Oh no, that's not the opposite. We are at Arya Bhavan, Vileparle to have authentic Tamil food today. Let's see how it goes. Do you have any comments, my friend?
I think we will have more comments when we have the food. और थिट्टे इडली जो इधर है वो काफ़ी फेमस है. So let's try and taste different varieties that they have, especially their famous dishes, and then we will just take it from
In
there.
fact, I was planning to wear lungi to eat, but I stopped myself. I wear normal.
इतने पैर दिए रहते हैं.
that tastes something.
आज हम आए हैं आर्य भवन में. दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द वेरी वेल नोन ब्रांड्स. और आप जब आर्य भवन के बारे में सुनते हैं तो आप माटुंगा याद आता है. वी आर सिटिंग हियर विद द ओनर मिस्टर प्रवीण. तो हम उनसे थोड़े जानकारी लेंगे कि कैसे उन्होंने उनकी जर्नी स्टार्ट की. एंड इट्स रियली इंटरेस्टिंग. तो मिस्टर प्रवीण, आपकी जर्नी कैसे स्टार्ट हुई आर्य भवन की?
This is actually my father's establishment.
Okay.
So it's 50 years back he started with his catering venture.
Okay.
So slowly he started like with as his clients grew.
Right.
He established his first restaurant in Matunga.
Right.
It was in the year 2008. And then this is the third branch.
Okay.
The second one was at Nariman Point, which because of the lockdown we had to shut down.
Oh, okay.
Because of staff issues and other financial issues.
Right.
And then this was started 3 years back, just a year before the corona outbreak. Was, at the age of 15 itself, my father got all three of us.
Acha.
We are three brothers, so all three of us were into this business. So at the age of 15 itself, we used to manage studies as well as restaurant. Morning go to school, evening come back and sit at the cash counter in the hotel or whatever it is. So from there it started, and then I went on to do my aeronautical engineering in Bangalore.
Wow.
So after that, for a gap of 3 years, I couldn't come down to Mumbai. So I was in Bangalore itself. Then after that, I went on to work with Jet Airways.
Okay.
So all these 3.5 years, I was away from the hotel industry or from my dad's business altogether. Then I went on to do my MBA after my engineering. So again, another 2 years break I had to take. And then I went to work with Eureka Foods for another 2 years.
So wide experience. Got a very wide experience.
So what made
Yeah.
you come back to this business?
The reason why I went to work in the first place was just to gain experience.
Okay.
How it feels to work under someone, how it feels like how others manage business,
Right.
and what I have to do things differently.
Correct.
Even at Eureka Foods, I was working with customers directly. So basically, I wanted to have an overall knowledge of hospitality, how to deal with customers, how to talk with them.
Yeah. That's very important, of
So
course.
everyone is different. At the end of the day, customer satisfaction is the most important thing. Everyone is, if someone is coming here, they are coming here with a purpose. They are giving their valuable time to us.
Correct.
The most important thing. They are spending their hard-earned money over here.
Right.
So each and every single penny counts. Even if I go to any other restaurant, let it be XYZ, even I'll be expecting something. If I'm paying 10 rupees or 20 rupees for even a bottle of water, I'll be expecting something out of it.
Right.
So that's what exactly is in my mind.
So basically, everything has to be a value. So whatever they are doing, it has to come out in terms of value for
yes,
it, right?
yes.
Which is very important. Nowadays, not many people do that.
The main basics, those are the basics which you have to stick to at any cost. The customers come, we generate revenue, that is a secondary thing. But at least stick to the basics and everything goes well. That's what I
So
believe
just
in.
one question now. After Matunga, you started in Nariman Point,
Yes.
and now you came to Vileparle. So any particular reason that the locations? How did you choose on those locations? Any particular reason for that?
Our major client base was always and is always Gujaratis.
Oh, okay.
So that's the main thing.
Acha.
Nothing
Right,
else. So
right.
South Indian cuisine means Gujaratis are more fond of it.
So next stop is Ghatkopar and Malad then.
We are
I
searching
think-
for a space over there, but because of the 2 year gap, we have stopped
I
everything.
understand. I think that the last one and a half year has been very harsh for the hospitality industry.
Yes.
But thankfully everything is picking up. People are coming in, they are loving their food. So So that's very important.
Another question that I have was, have you maintained the quality that you're serving here? Because I think people predominantly, when they think about Arya Bhavan, is the quality and the variety that they serve.
Yeah, just to add to that question, I'm sorry, and especially because while do you have chefs coming out from Tamil Nadu for the authentic Tamil food, or do you like train them?
No. We just have one particular chef, the main chef, who is at a main kitchen.
Right.
So he's the one who takes care of everything. All our things are coming from there. It's a centralized kitchen basically.
Achha, okay.
So we don't make anything over here. The sambar, rasam, batter, everything comes from one particular place.
Right.
Here what we do is we just make it on the dosa tawa
Okay.
and we give it across the customer.
That's how you basically maintain the quality.
Yes,
by
the quality
keeping
is
it
same at
centralized.
all the three. I would suggest you to have tart idli,
That is.
rasam vada, dal vada, and now we have started with neer dosa and buns puri, Mangalore buns, which is typical South Indian cuisine, which is a must try. And obviously, not to forget the pineapple shira.
Yes.
And I think filter coffee is also
Filter
important.
coffee, yes.
Yeah, filter
Especially
coffee
the
and
way
pineapple syrup, man. I'm telling you, whenever
Filter coffee is a norm at any South Indian restaurant.
Yeah.
the way it's
Finish it
served
off
and
with
the way you serve it, just
with the
way
style
you
and all,
serve it.
yeah, with the style. Just one more thing, this thali that you system that is coming, this is something new only to Parla, or you do it everywhere?
No, it is only at Parla.
Oh, okay.
This I started again just before the lockdown,
Achha.
the first lockdown. So what I observed was there are many South Indian restaurants in Vileparle, but none of them are serving thali.
Okay, correct.
So I thought we'll just come up with something like this. Let's see how it moves, and it is doing a pretty decent.
Thank you so much, Mr. Praveen.
Thank you.
It was really a pleasure.
Thanks.
talking to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
ये क्या है? Let's start with Pona and Rasam.
Rasam idli, man. This is looking nice.
The gunda is completely soaked the flavors of rasam और वो इतना soft हो गया, it is melting in the mouth. Plus rasam का flavors are amazing. What do you think?
And that sourness of that gravy, absolutely wonderful.
Absolutely.
Awesome, absolutely awesome. Did you like taste the chutney? I love chutney by the way. I'm a big chutney person.
मैं पहले थक्के ही try करूँगा because I think it is looking awesome. तो पहले एक and this is gunpowder ना by the way.
Yeah.
So cheers. Amazing.
Feel the ghee?
Yeah.
Did you feel the ghee? It's like proper authentic ghee.
It's like South Indian pizza.
South Indian pizza. Yeah.
और ये चटनी.
I'm not a dip it, man. I'm sorry, but I'm not a dip it.
Yeah. Thali. So guys, thali is here. Veg thali.
Wow.
Look at it. Look at the variety.
Everything inside. Including the parota. Look at the parota. And the papad.
दाल वड़ा भी है जो उनकी स्पेशलिटी है. I think there's tamarind rice.
Tamarind rice.
Just asking, इसमें क्या क्या आप बताएंगे? ये दाल वड़े है.
दाल वड़ा है,
हाँ.
कुरमा, रसम है, सांभर है,
Okay.
चॉकलेट सीरा स्वीट है,
Okay.
बिसिबिली राइस स्पेशल,
Basically rice, okay.
लेमन राइस स्पेशल, और सब्जी,
और छाछ.
छाछ, दही,
ये
मलबार
परोठा
पारा. मलबार पारा.
पराठा है, अचार है, चटनी है दाल वड़ा का.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Looking amazing. Can't wait. लेकिन पहले एक टिक्की ट्राई करते हैं with चटनी.
डिप तो चाहिए बॉस. मेरा डिप तो
Another specialty.
रवा बिस्किट.
Raw biscuit. This is one of the best sellers.
And think of it, now the name is biscuit, but it's a dosa. But they have made a biscuit the way it is made.
A lot of cheese inside और वो because it is biscuit sized छोटा छोटा है इसके लिए वो नाम दिया उन्होंने. I think this is one of the डेलिकेसी ऊपर से इफ यू सी राइट जो भी सर्व हो रहा है वो केले के पत्ते से सर्व हो रहा है सो इट गिव्स यू अ डिफरेंट इफेक्ट ऑल टुगेदर एड्स टू द फ्लेवर चलो ट्राई करो गरम गरम है चलो रुको मत
I think we'll have to use some hands here.
पहले
Nice.
very cheesy it's cheesy crispy
Also, it's got some additional onions and that mustard.
vegetables yes
Yeah. If you can bring the camera here.
capsicum है
Capsicum, there is some onions, and there is some nice. They also got to put some gunpowder inside. So it's very nice.
sambar amazing It's definitely worth it. You should definitely visit this place. और साउथ इंडियन डिलीशियस इज अमेजिंग हमने जो भी उनका सिग्नेचर डिशेज है सब मंगाया है Hear the crunch?
I can hear the crunch and the fact that it's so crunchy. It's nice that dough inside and mixer inside. Wow, beautiful. Let's finish this. Put it melts to it.
I absolutely love rasam.
You don't get it everywhere. You don't get the rasam. But if I think of it, it's a very healthy soup kind of a thing. It's a very tasty.
Soup, gravy, rasam.
Everything. Awesome.
चलो यार थाली भी चालू करते हैं I think I'll keep this on the side. We'll just start with थाली. पापड़ थोड़ा खट्टे मीठे पे रखते हैं
I'm going to taste the papad. These are these Tamil papads. Very nice.
I think उड़द दाल का है फ्लेवर आने में
Crunchy.
I think उड़द दाल है
No, right. Very parota.
कोरमा के साथ चालू करते हैं
तो उसके साथ सर मैं कोई एक वेजिटेबल जो है बीफ
बोल ही नहीं सकता कि ये वेज फूड है अमेजिंग फ्लेवर्स मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि नॉन वेज ही खा रहा हूँ बट I know it's a veg restaurant, but I'm just saying, the flavor
And I
is
think many people think that green vegetables will not be tasty, it will not be. It's very nice. Huh? It's got some cabbage, it's got peanuts, it's very different. Wow, दाल वड़ा तो दिख है. So tasty.
क्रंची है क्योंकि आवाज़ आया तो पहले थोड़ा करी मैं जस्ट डिप इट इन द चटनी
Excellent दाल वड़ा. Excellent.
the crunchiness crunchy from outside or soft from inside
Excellent. चटनी अपने पास बहुत है खाने के लिए.
and I think there is no stop button चालू हो गया तो by the way guys you get this unlimited variety and because we cannot have so much food हम लोग सिर्फ एक ही थाली ट्राई कर रहे हैं but it's gonna come in I think 285 rupees this is an unlimited थाली and you can just have a blast कुछ खाइए मत उधर आइए और बस enjoy करिए Cheers. So just to give you a brief idea, इसमें सांभर, rice, vegetables सब mix करके वो लोग I think they fry it a bit, so that gives an enhanced flavor.
Nice, tangy, very nice. Simple, nice. It's very good food, simple food to eat.
Simple food is always good.
I'm an Indian, this is Sam Lemon.
This is lemon rice. खट्टा बना रहा है?
Plus, it's got that curry leaves, the peanuts inside.
Amazing. White rice की white.
White rice खाएंगे ना?
सांभर, रसम और कोरमा के साथ.
This is a nice pot of curd. Very good.
Very green.
You can have it with the rice as well, butter is one.
नहीं अपन सांभर ट्राई करते हैं.
Try fries with this.
Korma. But I prefer this. Sambar fried with rice and vegetables.
Ready now? You have to mix it all. And I'm telling you, it's really comfort food. Especially when you are healthy as well. Yeah. Pretty much. It's in some ways, it's just South Indian version of Dal Khikdi.
अगर और आते भी हैं
खाना तो पड़ेगा।
बहुत अच्छा
चलूँगा मैं।
अमेजिंग
The spiciness in that. Beautiful.
ऐसे एक्सपीरियंस देखा ना जैसे उसने फ्रॉक क्रिएट किया
And over when I'm seeing faces in that frog. You see that?
I don't see
I'm
faces.
imagining, yeah.
You see too many people, my friend.
Yes.
Cheers.
Yes.
Wow, strong.
And it's nice. It's not too sweet. It's that foamy bit plus the liquid.
बस कितना भी एक्सपीरियंस करो कि डिफिकल्ट हो जाए सुनने वाले को।
चलो अभी शीरा खाए।
हाँ पहले कॉफी इसलिए पिया कि पीता नहीं रहेगा ना बिल्कुल, तो अभी शीरा खाते हैं।
Look at the color. Look at the richness of it. Firstly, and I would like someone to take the video of the richness of the pineapple syrup.
एकदम स्लो मोशन में देखिए से पीछे खींचते
This is my favorite. I am not a very big food person. I don't have a very big Indian food, but this is something my favorite.
I've got a food tooth, so all food that is tasty is good.
I'm sorry to use this word, but I'm नहीं not that. Food silky वो सब नहीं है. This is food orgasm.
ठीक है चलो ऊपर।
Cheers again, man.
बॉटम्स अप।
अरे भाई ये तो खाना पड़ेगा.
ये लोग को भी निरंजन दे रहे हैं ट्राई तो कर।
Everybody should try. Let's cut a cake now.
ये निरंजन तेरे को भी ट्राई करने गया
करता हूँ बाद में.
वेरी स्मूथ मतलब
But this is something that anybody who has a sweet tooth should come and visit and have one of the best. I got overwhelmed. I'm sorry, but this is too nice.
faces foam what else
I'm into black coffee, but this is very nice. I like it black, but I like it white.
and the preference is black white
दोस्तों पेट भर गया, मन नहीं भरा, बट
तन भर रहा है लेकिन
तन भर रहा है. एंड भाई ये हमारे फेमस डायरेक्टर, द क्रिएटर, द ओरिजिनेटर, मिस्टर निरंजन, द फूड रंजन ऑफ अस, who's inspired us to make this video. So if you like our videos, I like our content, like,
share and subscribe
share and subscribe.
yo